Okay, and here we have it. This day, Saturday, the Ladybird has arrived from City of Industry, Los Angeles County. We'll figure out how to set this camera up on the tripod so it can watch the opening and see what the heck's inside this box. Here we go. Okay, here we go. The Ladybird quadcopter from Akira. It looks like a Chinese cardboard style box. Oh, I just cut into the packaging with my knife. Okay. I'm assuming that this is the extra battery and blades. Wow, that is one small little battery. No wonder they cost $5. Look at that little thing. I don't know if you can see that or not. Blades, extra blades, and there's supposed to be a tool in here, but that must be in the box. This must be the extra stuff I purchased. I don't know. Okay, we are recording and audio, so this might be YouTube. All good questions to ask before recording. Here we go, the Ladybird QR series. Trust me, it's easy. Alright, here is the battery that comes with the unit. Here's the radio. They call it the Devo 4 for whatever reason. Interesting. It doesn't seem to I guess that's the throttle. It does have rubberized grips. Drum roll, please. Okay, there's the drum roll. So here's the rubberized grips that they talk about here and here. It actually does feel pretty good. Well, the packaging seems to be pretty good inside, like everybody says. Yep, there's the green Ladybird. However, it does look like a ladybug. Yet a green one, though. And here's the underside without the battery in it. Soft rubbers for landing. I don't know if this is coming in clear or not. Who knows? We'll find out when we play it back. Okay, here's spare propellers that comes with the kit, and a adjustment tool and a jumper. Here's a USB charging cable. I believe I actually already have one of these proprietary ends.
Is that the color green you wanted?
Yes, there's only one green. This was a gift from my sweetheart, Annette Marie Therese. We won't go on to the other names. Yes, I believe I do have a charging pin like that, proprietary, already. That's good news. And then the charger. I don't know if I can get that out or not. Yeah, there we go. Oh, actually some paperwork in there. We'll just put this aside for the time being. There is the charger, and you're supposed to be able to charge 2 batteries at once, which indeed there is a port there for one battery and one there for another. So I may as well go ahead and get my AC 2 amp Google Nexus wall charger, which is probably a lot better than plugging it into a computer. I don't like running amperage through my USB ports if you don't have to. So I'm going to shut the camera off for a minute until I get that out. Okay, here we are. Looking at the charger, I've brought out my Nexus 7 2 amp or 2000 milliamp charger, because I'm going to plug the charger system into this, not the computer. As I said a moment ago, I don't like drawing amperage through my USB port unless I have to. So there's the charger. Here's the battery that came with the Ladybird. I've read in the videos on YouTube, it seemed like for the most part they said the batteries are already pretty much charged. They probably are. However, we'll find out. Okay. And the second battery, a separate purchase, which is not tearing very well, so we'll just finish tearing it. Oh, the old SOG. This is the $207 Quick Blade. It is sweet. Battery number 2. I'll tell you, I don't know, that might be my imagination, but it seems like it might be a little bit thicker. It probably isn't. And that doesn't stay in there very easily, so I would suggest that when you do get it in there, set it down and make sure it's actually still plugged in when you're charging. Okay, here we go. We're going to plug it into the outlet. Now, I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. This has 2 lights on. That is the charging LED status light. So we are charging. I'm going to set this off to the side. I believe this was for trimming the pods in the radio. We'll find out because we'll actually look at the manual. This is a bind plug, some form of jumper, and the tool. Spare blades. Spare blades. They're not really rubber like the one review said. They're actually kind of a medium plastic. Probably a high impact plastic, typical. Let's see what this paperwork says. This video is primarily for my buddy Ron, Mr. RV. That'll be enough clues. Okay, so for those who can actually read and understand Mandarin or Cantonese, some form of Chinese, I'm sure, that would probably be pretty good for you. However, I didn't have Cantonese or Mandarin in any of my schooling, so that's not going to work very well. It looks like it might be a parts list, possibly, but oh, okay. Looks looks like it's this page right here. Which, 1 power wire, 2 Y front motor, X back motor, 4 Y back motor, 5. Okay, so these are all the different components of the radio. Alright, well, I think that that's probably just about it. There's not really very much to this little buggy. And no, I'm not going to take a spray can and spray paint this pretty dark green shell. I think it's actually kind of cute, a little bug buzzing around, and that's kind of what it sounds like from the videos that I've listened to. So as soon as these batteries charge, I'll go ahead and we'll do a video of the batteries going in place and operating it for the first time. Bye-bye. Okay, it has been, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes, and the battery charger lights went out. I don't know if you can see that or not. There. It went out, so I'm assuming they're charged. So I'm going to unplug it and pull them out. And we'll start with one of these batteries and this little bugger right here. I can see how they say that the battery falls out of the compartment. It's got a little bit, I might have done this backwards, but we'll see. So I've inserted the battery. There's a little light right there flashing. I'm turning this on, and this is called pairing. Unfortunately, the instructions are pretty much worthless, just like everybody on the internet said. However, the information I got on the internet seems to be contradictory. One instruction says to turn on the radio first, then the quadcopter, Ladybird, and another instruction I found says to turn on the Ladybird first and then the receiver. So it doesn't sound like we're getting paired. So I'll do it reversed. Disconnect. Turn that on and connect. Okay, so I'm going to have to go and try to get some more information on how to get it paired, because it doesn't seem to be pairing going either way. So we'll turn this video off for a moment and I'll be back. Okay, so just like all the videos that I've seen on the internet about this and trying to get it to pair up, and I've been to help forums and such, the instructions here did not get the system to pair up, and at this point I can't tell you what I did to get it to pair other than flipping levers and stuff. Then all of a sudden lights started flashing and beeping noise started taking place, and fortunately I had this little bugger upside down, because then all of a sudden it went like that, and so that means we're now paired. And we'll just do a quick little run. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so now we're going to do an actual flight. Whether it's controlled or not, I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Okay, so now that we've got this unit paired, this little bugger, we're going to try its first actual maiden flight. I'm going to get out of the video here, and I did prepare myself with the proper lubricant to make sure that we are well lubed. There we go, lubricant in vessel. Here we go. Well, it went about an inch off the ground. Drum roll, please. Well, successfully prevented it from crashing into the right side of the kitchen, but not the left. I don't even know what mode I'm in. I want to be in amateur mode. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it here. Part of the problem is I'm actually operating it backwards. And since I've never done this before, I should probably have it facing the other direction. That actually may help. Well, each flight is a little better than the last. Whoa, got out of hand there. I can see where I might want to do this outside. Okay, that's enough of the video. I've had a successful couple little flights that got a couple inches off the ground. I might take this out in the driveway.